I have genuinely, guys, I'm telling you, I'm not just saying this, I have genuinely found some serious gems on Fashion Nova. Like, all my friends always laugh at me because they're like, girl, like, you find the best shit on Fashion Nova. I'm like, I'm telling you, I sit there and I really go through their website and I actually take my time, but you can find some really good gems. And I'm not just talking trendy stuff. I'm not saying just going out dresses, which is like a lot of people think is like swimsuits and dresses and like trendy stuff. You can actually find like everyday basic pieces for an affordable price. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And I guess we should start off with what I'm wearing right now. It's just this hoodie that is like kind of oversized but cropped at the same time. I'm obsessed with it. I've been wearing it so much. I feel like it's the best like go-to. It's so thick and actually really soft on the inside. It's that like fluffy cloud material. It's really amazing quality. You would not think that it's like an inexpensive hoodie. I really like it, and I kind of want to get it in every single color if they have other ones. Underneath that, I'm wearing this little like black tank. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, you would see this tank in every single one of my stories. Again, I want to get this in every color. It is so freaking comfy. It's just one of those like easy spandex tank tops that you can wear so casually. Like, I wear it as pretty much like an athletic top with like sweatpants, or I wear it with jeans. You can wear it with shorts. It's so easy, and like even if you have a larger chest, you don't really have to wear a bra with it because it's kind of like holds you in. So I've been wearing that literally every day, like religiously. And then the next thing are this pair of little cute nude simple spandex shorts. Again, such a staple thing that I've been living in. A lot of these are going to be like at home cozy comfy basics because I do work from home partially, so a lot of time I am spending at home. So having stuff that's cute and I can like take the dog out for a walk or go grab a coffee or go run an errand if I have to, and I don't have to like change out of my at home clothes because they look ratchet, that is really important to me, just so that way I like always have really cute but basic things on hand. My style is also really basic. Like, I'm not exactly the most out there person when it comes to the things that I wear. I like to stick to neutrals. I like to stick to basic styles. I really feel like I'm already I'm like almost 6 feet tall. I'm curvy. Like my appearances can be kind of a lot sometimes. And so I try to stick to basics. Anyways, let me get into some of the other things that I've been obsessed with. On the train of like cozy stuff, I found this outfit. It's actually not a set, but I have made it one. It's literally like the same material. Or is this a set? I don't think it is actually. No, it's not. This is called the Everyday Bralette, and it's just like a simple black bra, and it's so cute. It's like really basic. I wouldn't necessarily wear this to work out in because it's not very like sweat wicking. If you're doing like a light walk or like some yoga or something, then you probably could, especially if you don't really need the support. But if you need the support and you're worried about sweating, maybe not your best bet. But this with these cute like cozy lounge pants, girls, ladies, there's something about these pants that make your booty look fire. You know, I'm not saying I have the biggest butt out there, but these pants really do something to make it look its absolute best. And I feel like the drawstring in the front also like really accentuates your waist and your hips, and it really gives you that hourglass figure. But it's so comfy and you're wearing sweats. This literally feels like butter. These are so freaking soft. It literally feels like you're wearing nothing. And that's the best part too, is like if it's been really hot here in LA, so I don't always want to wear sweatpants. Like, keep the AC cold, but if I want to go for a walk or whatever, you know, I don't want to wear something that's like super hot and gonna make me uncomfortable, but I also want to feel cozy. These are the best thing. You look put together, but you're also extremely comfortable. I also got that same top in this nude color. I feel like, again, it's really cute. It's really simple. These are just good staples to have. You can throw on with like any pair of leggings and just run out the door. I wear bras as shirts. I don't know if that's weird, but whatever. Okay, next I have a couple cute dress favorites. I've been in a dress mood lately, mainly because, again, I'm lazy and it's been hot in LA, so I don't really feel like putting together outfits. Honestly, putting together outfits is the bane of my existence, which is why I usually just wear jeans and some sort of basic white top or basic black top, or like a pair of jean shorts and a basic top. Like, I'm very simple, and I think that like if you're kind of basic like me, having neutral colors in your wardrobe and just being able to like mix and match different styles but like of the same color family, I think really helps if you are fashionably challenged like me. Not that I'm really fashionably challenged, I'm just like, again, I'm lazy. I just like to have something simple and easy to throw on, nothing too crazy. And also, to be honest with you guys, I don't know if you've had like outfit regret in the past. I've looked past look back on my past outfits when I've tried to go outside of my norm, it's like secondhand embarrassment, but for myself. Like, it's firsthand embarrassment, but like my old self, oh my lord, I look at some outfits and I'm like, girl, why were you wearing those sunglasses? Why? I mean, it's fine, it is what it is. She was expressing herself, but whew, cringe. Anyways, so this first one is really cute. It's like a ribbed kind of cotton tank top, like wife beater, I hate that phrase, but tank top dress. But it's really nice and thick. The material is really nice. It's form-fitting and keeps you in, and it's not see-through, so you don't need to wear a bra or anything with it, which I really like, because a lot of these kind of dresses are very see-through and very thin and kind of like show all any kind of, you know, lumps, bumps, things that you don't want to be seen. This does not. It's called the One of the Boys dress, and that totally makes sense because it's just a simple like tank top, something your boyfriend would wear, but it's like a longer dress version. And again, it's stretchier, it's thicker, really nice quality in my opinion. I feel like you also can dress this up or down. Like, I would wear this with Jordans, but I would also wear this with heels. Then I have another one, really simple, cream colored, but the cutout is really cute. And if you want to accentuate your chest, this one is definitely, in my opinion, only a going out one. I wouldn't necessarily wear this casually because it's just a lot in my, like, just for my personal taste. I feel like I wouldn't necessarily want to wear this during the day casually. I guess I could wear this during the day if I was going to like a brunch party situation, but nothing like, I wouldn't like wear it to like a regular brunch, if that makes sense. Yeah, it's definitely a going out dress in my opinion. Again, this is really thick. I feel like they've upgraded the quality of their dresses. I remember when I was shopping Fashion Nova years ago, their quality of their like cotton jersey dresses was a lot different. It was a lot thinner, and I feel like it's so much thicker and nicer now and feels so soft and so comfortable and literally feels like butter, so I'm here for it. This next dress is a black dress called the Rachel Racerback midi dress. This I need in every color. This is a lot thinner than those two, but for some reason it works, and maybe it's because it's black. I don't have it in any other colors, so I couldn't tell if it's see-through or not. It looks like it could be, but because it's black you can't tell, so maybe if I order this in other colors, I'll order it in like darker colors. This for some reason is so flattering, you guys. Like, this dress, I would wear it with sandals during the day, or I would wear this with heels at night, and I feel like this makes your body look so good. It fits like a glove. I got it in a size small. Everything that I ordered is like a smaller medium, and then for jeans I wear a 3 or a 5, by the way. 3 if I want them form-fitting, 5 if I want them loose. I'm 5'11", and I'm a size 4. So yeah, that's that, just so you guys know. And everything has fit me really, really well, so there's that. But yeah, I got this dress in a size small. I really, really love it. It fits me like absolutely perfectly. Like I said, I really want to get this in other colors. I hope the other colors aren't see-through because I really, really love this one. I think it's really flattering. I've said that 1,000 times, but yeah, I really like that one. Okay, and then lastly, I have 2 pairs of jeans that I was genuinely really, really shocked by. I haven't been much of like a tight jeans person lately. I've been more of like a loose-fitting jean person, so the fact that I loved these so much came as a complete shock to me. I saw them on the website and I thought it was interesting, these like cutout things in the back, and I actually like loved these when I put them on. I think it's because they're a flare leg and not a skinny leg. If I'm gonna wear tight pants, they're gonna be some kind of like flare leg situation, or like, I don't know, something that's not a skinny jean. That's just my personal opinion. I'm not like, I'm kind of over skinny pants at this moment, but I feel like these work for some reason. I don't know why. I think these with like a heel and a cute top could be such a vibe, and maybe I'm crazy, but like they're just really flattering, so I want them to work so bad. Like, I really like these, and they're so comfortable. These are so soft, they're so stretchy. They literally feel like, if you guys remember that commercial pajama jeans, they legit feel like what I expect pajama jeans to feel like jeggings, but not. They're actually like, they are jeans, they're not jeggings, because you didn't remember jeggings. Oh my god, lol. Anyways, last but not least, I have this pair of loose-fitting baggy pants. Again, I got these in a size 5. They fit really well. They're not like baggy to the extent of like some of my other pants where they are literally falling off of me. I feel like my hips kind of keep these in place, which I like. I think they're really cute and they're very flattering. And again, as far as like inexpensive denim goes, these are really good. Like I'm really pleasantly surprised. So I wanted to ask you guys too, like if you have any requests of things that you want me to try out from Fashion Nova, and let you know, like somebody's dog is freaking out outside. It is not mine. If there's anything of Fashion Nova stuff that you guys want me to try, that you want me to like test out the quality and let you know what's my favorite, or like choose a bunch of different like variants of something and let you know like a bunch of different styles and let you know which ones are the best and rate them and like give you a price comparison. I'm about to sneeze, excuse me. Woo! Anyways, if you guys want me to do that, if you guys would like me to do that, I would be happy to do so. I think that would be really, really fun. Wait, oh my god, you guys, I have to show you this one last thing I completely forgot to include in this haul. I've already worn it twice. I forgot to try it on for the try on portion, but I'll insert photos of me wearing it because I've genuinely worn it so many times. I've had so many people ask me about where I got this particular item of clothing. When I wore it in my stories, when I wore it in real life, like so many girls have been asking me where I got this top, and no one will ever guess that it's from Fashion Nova. This leather vest is actually amazing. It's so effing cute. Like I'm obsessed with it. I've worn it with a little mini skirt. I've worn it with like more like loose fitting trouser pants, and I feel like it's a really, really cute kind of different night out vibe where you can still look sexy because it's low cut. You know, you can unbutton one button. It's very hot still, but it's a little bit different looking. I'm really obsessed with it. I really like this. I think I want to get the black one as well. I've been really into the vest trend, and I'm down for this. This is really cute. So this is, I guess, a bit more trendy, but because it's such a simple color, I still feel like it's a basic. Like I feel like it still works with everything. So yeah, obsessed with this. Like you guys need this. Anyways, I love you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.